I am Gayathri, Assistant Professor at JJ College of Arts and Science, Department of Information Technology. Now we are discussing about what is software and software types. Fundamentals of computer is a basic concepts. What is a software? The software is a set of program that allows the user to perform a well-defined functions or some specified task. Software is responsible for directing all computer related devices and instructing them regarding what and how the task is to be performed. The software is made up of the binary language composed of 1 and zeros, and the programmer writing the binary codes would be the slow and tedious task. Therefore, the software program write the software program in the various human readable language such as Java, Python, Bash, etc. The later use of the source code. Then types of software. Softwares are broadly classified into the two types: system software and application software. System software. System software is a computer program that helps the user to run the computer hardware or software and managing the interaction between them. Essentially, it is the software that constantly run in the computer background, maintaining the computer hardware and computer basic functionalities, including the operating system, utility software and interfaces. In simple term, you can say that the system acts as a middleman, then check the facility and operations following between the user and the computer hardware. There are first thing we get load the system memory, whatever your computer system software is known as the low level software. The future of the classification of the system software as follows. Operating system. In the group of softwares that handle the execution of the program and offer the general services for the applications that run over the computer. For example, the operating systems are given below: Microsoft Windows, Apple macOS, Android, and etc. Device driver. Second one is device driver. The device driver is a type of software that operates and controls some specific hardware devices linked into a system. Some common example of such device drivers that connect the hardware device. Example: printer, sound, BIOS, basic input and output device drivers. USB drivers, motherboard driver, display driver, printer driver, and etc. Third one is firmware. Firmware is a type of permanent software embedded in the system's ROM read-only memory to providing the low-level control for some particular system device hardware. It is a set of instructions that are stored permanently on your computer's hardware devices. Example: peripheral, customer applicants, embedded system. Fourth one, utility. Utility software is developed to provide supporting the analyzing, optimizing along the configuring and maintaining a computer. Though the system will be work even if it does not have any utility software. The right kind of utility software enhance the performance and make it more reliable. For the common example, WinZip, Window File Explorer. Then next one, application software. Application program or software applications are end user computer program developed primarily to providing the specific functionality to the user. The application program assists the user of accomplishing numerous tasks such as doing online research, completing notes, designing graphics, managing finance, watching a movie, writing document, playing games, and many more. Next, word processor. Word processor application are globally used for documentation, making notes, and typing data. It's also helped the end user store data format. The also enable the user printing the document. Some example: MS Word, iWork Pages, Core Word Perfect, and Google Document. Next one, database software. The database software is used to create, manage, and modify the organize a massive amount of data quickly retrieved. Another name for the database software is a database management system. Such software helps companies in the data organization. For the common example, Oracle, MS Access, SQLite, Microsoft SQL Server, database, MySQL, and etc. Multimedia softwares. The software enable the user to play the create or record image, music, and videos and files. Different graphics designing companies wild use multimedia software to make animation images, post, packaging, marketing, creative, zip file, or even the videos editing. Due to their property or increasing the demand, every software product development of corporation and the massive in creating the upgrading them. For the common example, Adobe Photoshop, Windows Movie Maker, Adobe Illustrator, etc. Finally, the web browser. These are the type of software that is globally used to browse the internet. Web browser help the user is positioning as well as fetching the data across the web. Common example: Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, and etc. Thank you guys. Discussing the softwares.